Imagine yourself in this 2009 Smart Fortwo. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. A low odometer reading makes this vehicle a great value at this price. With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, an included Carfax Vehicle History Report allows you to purchase with confidence and the knowledge that your buy was a smart choice. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power door locks, power windows, power steering. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Stability control. Best of all, our price is lower than Kelley Blue Book's suggested retail value. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.